What is the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x squared? Now for this integral, if we let tangent of theta equal to x, then theta equal to tangent inverse of x. If we differentiate this with respect to theta, then we have secant squared of the theta equals to the x. We now replace x by tangent of theta, so our integral becomes 1 divided by tangent squared of theta times secant squared of theta d theta. But 1 plus tangent squared of theta is secant squared of theta. So if we put secant squared of theta here, secant squared of theta cancels secant squared of theta, and we have the integral of the theta. If we integrate the theta, we get theta. But theta equal to tangent inverse of x. Hence, the integral 1 divided by 1 plus x squared dx equals tangent inverse of x. Kindly like, follow, share, and leave your comment.